Correction of entries in electoral rules. Section 22 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of Election Commission of India. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to know the power conferred to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections. They will also be able to explain the Section 22 of the Representation of the People Act 1950. Article 324 of the Constitution says, superintendence, direction and control of elections to be vested in Election Commission of India. Its clause 1 is about preparation of electoral rules and conduct of election. Article 327 says, power to Parliament to make laws with respect to all matters related to elections for either House of Parliament or either House of State Legislatures. In exercise of power given by the Constitution under the Article 327, the Parliament has enacted the RP Act 1950. Section 22 comes under the Part 3, that is, electoral rules for assembly constituencies. So Section 22 is about correction of entries in electoral rules. It says, if the electoral registration officer of a constituency, either on receiving an application or on his own, finds after proper inquiry that an entry in the voter list for an area has mistakes or errors, needs to be moved to another part of the list because they have moved to a different places within the same constituency. A person's name needs to be deleted because they have died, moved out of the constituency, or are not eligible to be registered. Then the ERO will amend, transpose, or delete the entry after verifying the facts and as per the directions of the Election Commission of India, if any. Provided that before taking any action on the grounds as mentioned above, the ERO must give the person a fair chance to explain or respond before taking any action. So because of the Article 324 and Article 327, RP Act 1950 was enacted and then the Section 22 was framed. In essence, these provisions ensure the accuracy and integrity of the electoral rules. The process allows regular updates and correction and ensure free and fair elections as it guarantees that only eligible citizens are on the voter list and their details are correct. The emphasis on proper verification and the right to be heard safeguards against arbitrary removal or incorrect entries, upholding the democratic principle of accurate representation. So the verification requirement, it is about all changes must be made after proper verification as per the prescribed procedure. No change without notice. No one can be removed from the roll or have their entry modified without being informed and given a fair chance to respond. Applicability of Election Commission directions. The ERO must act in line with any general or special direction issued by the Commission. Transposition within or outside the constituency. If a person moves to a new address within or outside the constituency, their name to be shifted, that is transposed to the correct part of the roll, not deleted. Deletion grounds. A person's name can be deleted only if they are deceased, no longer ordinarily residing in the constituency, otherwise not qualified under the constitution or any law. Now, what are the necessary forms? Form 7 is used for deletion or objection against the proposed inclusion. Form 8 is about correction in entries, transpositions. For transposition from outside the state, declaration is also required along with Form 8, apart from attaching necessary documents. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos like this and click the bell icon to stay updated. In this educational video, we have learned about the Section 22 of RP Act 1950. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.